Hi everybody, it is Angie, Treasured Vintage, bringing you a little testing video. I've had this for a good while. It's a little container of old buckles. I think there may be a couple in here that may be Bakelite. So I thought we would test this morning and see if we can harvest a couple Bakelite buckles out of here. And I have my Simichrome, and I have some Q-tips, and that's pretty much what we need. I have some wet paper towels in case we get messy. That could happen. So let's pick a few out of here and see what we have. This one's very cute, but I know it's not Bakelite. The giveaway here would be the uniformity of the edges, the substance. It's just not. It's very light. It doesn't feel. It feels like plastic to me. It's just. It's not. It's plastic. So put that aside. I'll pick out one that I think could be. I'm not sure about this one. It does have some strange looks around the edges, but it's probably not either. All the Bakelite that I have seen is pretty smooth looking, so I'll test that. I don't know. Pick out one that I really think is. See this one here? I kind of think this is, but I'm not sure. Let's just test it. Let's do it. Let's see. I have my tripod here, and the tripod holder is actually covering up. Oh my, didn't want that much to come out. The tripod holder is covering up some of my screen, so kind of limited. It's a good thing I have these paper towels over here. Yes, I'm always kind of messy. So let's just rub this on here. Oh, that's just too much. Rub this on here and see if it turns yellow or orangey. And if it turns like dirt color, then we know it was a dirty buckle. If it turns like yellow or orangey, we know we have a piece of Bakelite. No, it's nothing. It is not Bakelite. Nope, sure do have enough Simichrome on there. That was kind of a waste, wasn't it? Okay, that is not Bakelite. Let's look at this one. The color and everything. Let's check this one out. Oh, we got a winner. Do you see that shade on there? Do you see the shade of that? Oh my, I've just still got too much. Let me wipe some of that off. It's just not good. Get some of that really. I'm sorry that I'm not in the middle of the phone or middle of the screen, because like I said, my tripod is taking up some of the area. Okay, what happened to my orange stuff? Well, let me see. I thought it was. Let's do it again. I thought I saw orange there. Or yellow. Could be, and could maybe not be. Oh, I was wrong again. Okay, I'm 2 for 2. So far, this is really exciting. I don't think that is. I think that's just plastic. Watch none of these be. And I won't even upload the video. I do not think that is for sure. It's plastic. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Well, I still have some cute buckles though. Look, isn't that cute? A little flimsy, but I mean, I wonder you couldn't fasten much with that because it's so flimsy. There's another one. Probably celluloid. Most of these are probably celluloid or some kind of vintage plastic. Pretty much see dirt on there. Dirt and nothing else. Here's a metal one. Remember when they used to have metal on the backs? What that is on the front. It's not really fabric. Maybe it's, I don't know what it is. Must be some kind of plastic. Very old. That's a cute one. The gold on it. There's a cute white plastic one. I guess I'll sell these all on a big lot. Here's a little orange one. Another one that's kind of flimsy. Here's a little red one that's also flimsy. I don't know what in the world you could use those for. Here's a cute metal one. It's got a, what do you call those things? Rider's crop. That's pretty neat. I think that might sell on its own for an equestrian type of, maybe with this one, because it's got a horse on it too. This one needs a little cleaning up. What else do we have? Oh, this one looks interesting. Let me get a new Q-tip for this one. This one looks good, maybe. Huh. Well, well, well. So far, I'm just batting 1,000 here. That's a cool one, though. I like the color. I like the design. It's pretty neat. More little flimsies. There's one that was, I guess it was meant to be worn on the diagonal. It's raining again here today. Imagine that. It has rained, it seems like nonstop for months. Just months, it seems. Is this the same one? Same deal? I'm just not used to talking to myself, so these videos are a struggle for me. They really certainly are. This one's cute. It's mother of pearl. Yeah, that one's pretty. I like it. There's a K. It's just a pearlescent one. It's kind of pretty. another probably plastic one. Somebody must have went through these before. Took out all the Bakelite. Most of these, most of these I'm rubbing don't even look like Bakelite. I don't even know why I'm doing it. Here's a gold one. That's interesting. It's pretty. I like the colors on it. I like the moon glow effect there. That one's a nice one. It's metal. I like the design. Oh boy. Oh, this one's cool. Look at this one. It's green. It's got sort of a translucence to it. Transparency. Oops, sorry about that. Okay. Alrighty then. This is a very exciting video for you. I just don't know what kind of videos to record other than haul videos. There's another big blob of Simichrome. Too much Simichrome on a not Bakelite buckle. Wait. Could it be one Bakelite buckle? That certainly looks like it could be. Yay. I found one. One among the bunch. Oh, goody. Well, I feel like it's sort of a success now, because if the Q-tip turns out that yellow color, we have Bakelite. And I am going to say that is Bakelite. Bakelite and some dirt. I hope. Certainly hope. Unless that's just the color of the buckle. I'll have to do the other, like the hot water test. Oh, it smells. I think it is. It does smell. I mean, and I don't even think it's the Simichrome. It smells like petroleum or something. I bet this is Bakelite. Or not. Why is there a buckle in here, or a button in here? I don't know. It doesn't look like Bakelite now, come to think of it. Doesn't look like it, but it's pretty cool looking. It's a pretty cool looking button. That's not Bakelite, but it's cute. Looks like maybe celluloid. Another old buckle. One of the flimsies. This looks like it. I'm not sure if that's broke or if that's. Looks like it might be broke. Another little button. That's a cute button, isn't it? It's a very cute button. Pearl, that's a mother of pearl one, or abalone. And we have a black metally one. Oh, pretty on the back. Prettier on the back than on the front. Maybe that is the front. And we have another mother of pearl one. And we have this. Metal one. And a random tie clip. Not in very good shape. Swank. Maybe I can polish that up. Polish that off of there. Simichrome is good for just metal polish too. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. One buckle that I'm going to test a little further, but I do think, pretty sure, this might be Bakelite. Pretty sure it's Bakelite. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a blessed day.